so I want to thank you so much for being my sub today, and I wanted to show you how to use the screenbeam, and that's how you can connect to the board. So what you can do, I also have a dock sitting here on my desk. If the screenbeam isn't working for some reason, you can just plug this into the side of the computer and hit source on the remote for the projector, and it will find it, if you want to do that. Or the screenbeam is just a little bit easier. So, let me see if I can do this. The screenbeam, you're going to come down here, you're going to take your cursor, go all the way, you're going to turn the projector on first, okay? You're going to come down all the way to the bottom right-hand corner over here. You're going to click this thing that kind of looks like a message button, and this screen will pop up. You're going to click where it says connect, and then it will load. And it should say Anderson Room 201 Project, okay? That's the one you'll click. And then on the board, you'll be able to see what's on the screen. So just make sure that whenever you do this, you have whatever you want the kiddos to see on the screen before you put it up there. Like, don't have anything that you don't want the kids to see on the screen, okay? So that's it. To disconnect, you do the same thing. You come over here and you click the little message button, you hit connect, and then you hit disconnect. Super simple. If you need any help with this, I know that Miss Simone's can help you, the music teacher, or Miss Prophet that's across the hall can help you as well. So thank you so much. Bye.